Hello guys, today in this video we are going to do an unboxing and review of a multifunctional flashlight keychain which I recently purchased from Amazon. So this is how the packing looks like. From the front they have given a transparent plastic lid so that we can see the product from inside, and it comes in an aluminum casing. So this is how it looks from the front. This is how it looks from the side. And from the back, here you can see they have given a QR code, and in here the MRP they are showing it as 1299, but when I purchased from Amazon I got it for around 600 rupees. I'll be providing the link in the description if you people are interested in purchasing the product. So without wasting any more time, let's open the box. So once we open the box, the first thing which you can see is a charger cable. So the charger cable is a type C cable. I'll try to focus it, and it is a small cable. I think it will be about 10 to 15 centimeter. Yeah, I think it will be some 20 centimeter. It's a small normal cable, and I guess you can charge it with the help of a normal adapter. So the next thing we'll see we can see in the box is directly the multifunctional keychain or survival keychain, whatever you want, you can see that. But actually it will be better to say it as a survival keychain, because the main purpose of this kind of keychains are like, if you get stuck somewhere or in a survival condition, almost you will get the basic necessities which is required for you to survive. So that is the main concept of this thing. So now, without wasting any more time, we'll check what and all we can see in this keychain. So the first thing which you can see, they have given a latchet or whatever you can see, tell, because example you can just hang it to the buckle of your pant or something. It will stay there, it won't go anywhere, and for removing it you can just press it and remove. So it's a lock actually. Then here you people can see they have given a knife or a blade you can say. Try to focus it. Okay, you can see that they have given a blade actually this area, so it can be used for cutting something. You can just a small rope and all you have to cut or anything, or removing the sleeve of a wire, you can use it for cutting like this. Okay, and if you pull it like that, it will easily get cutted. So that is the second thing. And the third thing which you can see in the back is, first of all, they have given a magnetic attachment, so you can attach to any magnetic thing. Like example, you are doing some work, you want the light to be there, you can always fix it, and it can be adjusted in whichever angle you want. Actually this is not completely iron, so it won't stick to that much properly, but if you try to put it in the fridge or that kind of metal or bike or car surface, it will stay perfectly like fixed in that. And you can adjust the angle also, so you are putting like this and you can adjust the angle the way you want. So this is how this looks. That is quite like the hinge is quite tough actually. Whenever you are trying to move it, you can see that it is quite good firm. Also when you open the back side, you can see they have given a Phillips head, and they have given a like minus sign, minus and positive screwdriver head you can say. So for using it, you have to take it from here, close it, and you can put this here, and you can tighten or loosen something in an emergency. See, actually it is in an emergency time, obviously it will come handy for you. You can use it for tightening or loosening something. So once it is done, you can go back and keep it back here. And the next thing which you can see, they have given is a whistle. So this is the whistle. So when you're trapped somewhere or you want to get noticed, or you want an help, this whistle can be used for that purpose. I'll just try to use it here so that you can hear the sound of it. So I hope people would have heard the sound. It is quite loud, and for the size, obviously it makes difference. How much like example, you're stuck somewhere, you need help, how much ever you scream, maybe people can't see, but when you're trapped somewhere, you can use this whistle for your safety or get attention of people. So after this, the next thing you can see is a bottle opener. Bottle opener, you can put it for opening like Pepsi bottle or whichever water bottle you want. You can just place it like this, you can open it. I don't have to give a demo of that thing. I hope you guys know that. And the next thing which we'll see inside is this thing. Actually, this is a cigarette lighter, an electric cigarette lighter. So for turning that on, there are two buttons. One is for the torch, turning on the torch on or off. This one is for the cigarette lighter. So for that you have to press and hold. They have given the markings also here. See, I hope you guys can see that. This is for the COB LED and this is for the lighter. So for turning on the lighter, you have to just press and hold this thing. See, once you press and hold, you can see this is getting so red actually. See, for after 2-3 seconds it will automatically turn on. I'll just hide this LED. Actually this LED shows the how much battery is left. So I'll just press and hold. See, I'll hide this LED. I guess you people can see. See how much red it is becoming. You people can see, and it's full charge. That's why they are showing all the 4 LEDs. So this is what things you can see. And in the side you can always see a charging port. So charging port, they have given a rubber washer so that water won't go inside that. I'll try to remove it. It's quite firm. I'll just remove and show. This is how the charging port looks. Just focus and show you guys. See, there is a USB-C charging port, and they have given the rubber washer so that it can be waterproof. So I'll connect and show you. See, disconnected, and now you can use it, a power bank or a power adapter, to charge it. So the last and the main thing which you people can see is the LED light. So this one is quite bright actually, which I'll show you guys in a minute. So for turning on the LED, I already told you there are 2 switches. The first one is for the flashlight and the second one is for the lighter. So when you press it one time, it is too bright actually. I can't even look at it. Now I show you guys what are the LED modes or light modes is present here. The first one, there is a bright white, a dim bright white. Third one is a bright warm light, dim warm light, red light. Then there is a flashing red light or like SOS kind of. Then it will turn off. So these are the modes. So guys, I have came outdoors to show you guys how much bright this torch is or flashlight. So in the inside you won't be able to understand the extent of brightness of this thing. So without wasting time, I'll just go through all the light modes. This is the bright one, and as you guys can see, it is so bright. The dim bright one, the warm bright one, warm dim one, the red one, and red flashing one. This you guys can use for an emergency. Like example, you want to get notice somewhere, you can use this one, and one time you press it, it will turn off. And if you people want to purchase it, I'll be providing the Amazon link of this product in my description below. So that's it guys. I hope you guys like the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Take care.